Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this design effect. This is the three shelf effects. So all you have to do, open a new design, create new design, and choose a PNG image in the photo. So if you use a pro version of Canva, you don't need to use the PNG image. You can use an ordinary image and use a remove background feature. But if you're free to play, if you're free player, a free editor, you can use PNG instead of remove background. So this is, for example, this is the PNG image, the bird. I want to make a threshold effect of this image, like a poster. So after you put the image, you can go to the apps. So you can type a screen effect here, for example. You can click it. So you can use this Lino effect. You can apply this Lino by click it, and you can increase the scale here. Sorry, let's click again. Here the line called Lino cut scale. Try to increase here and then save. So after that, you can use another edit image. You can click edit image here. So you can use a duotone here. Sorry, my laptop is gone crazy, take a long time to load. Let's repeat again by edit image, and then use this duotone. You can click it again and choose color. That's what you pick the color you want. Here, for example, I choose the pop. Here you can adjust intensity. You can lower, or you can try to increase. Here the more increases the more intensity, the more color that you get here. So this is, for example, I choose between 55 and 60. And then the last one, you can choose again, you can click again apps, try to search. Now you can choose bad TV on the apps. You can type bad TV by Photomosh. So let's wait. You can choose fuzz here. You can adjust the distortion. You can scale here. You can adjust the static here, scale width, so you can increase or decrease this. So I think this is done. You can add more effect or image like glow image, glow filter, or screen effects. So this is the threshold effect that you can try using this app or Canva web. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.